How to move contacts from the SIM card to your phone storage on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen, and in here tap on contacts. After that, we tap on the more button, and from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in contacts settings, go down, and in here tap on move contacts to other storage location. Next, tap on SIM, and then select the contacts that you want to move. You can move all of them by selecting the all button at the top. Then go down and tap on done. After that, select your storage location so you can move it to your online storage such as Samsung account or Google account or to your phone storage. After that, tap on move and then tap on OK. And that's it. So that is how you can move contacts from a SIM card to your phone storage or to your cloud account. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.